Good evening, everyone. I am back again working on my 2014 Odyssey EX. I will be putting and upgrading to an HID system. This is just a generic kit. It's nothing fancy. It's not $100 per kit. Um, I was just trying something different just because my halogens are not bright enough at nighttime. I'm sure you guys already know what it looks like at nighttime, so I'm not going to take a picture of the output of it, but I will take a picture of the HID once it's all installed. Other than that, I will go ahead and take it apart, swap it out, and install it. But to get you started, this one is pretty easy. Like I said, I have the stock halogens. What you have to do is just kind of unplug it first. There will be a tab behind the bulb itself, or the plug. Just go ahead and release it, and that's what it would look like. Twist the bulb counterclockwise and she's out. It's just that easy. That's the H11. Go ahead and do the same thing to the HID. For the bulb, slide it in and turn it counterclockwise. Make sure it's locked. Plug the ballast in. I will show you that once it's all wired in, and we will turn it on. So I basically got everything prepped. This harness right here just plugs into the factory headlight bulb plug, and I already installed the HID bulb, which is right here, and that you'll have those two plugs. Be a male and a female, should be right there. This plug would just plug in to that, and then these two would plug into the HID bulb, and that's pretty much it. Just to kind of give you a quick idea, obviously the right is the halogen, HID to the left. HID is definitely putting out a lot more. I will do a video of the nighttime look so you can kind of get an idea, but so far everything went smooth and everything's working. Okay, I just have to come back and just kind of show you what it looks like once it's all mounted. I did just kind of zip tie it to the frame, to the radiator support. Everything is zip tied together, so there's nothing coming loose. I even zip tied the connectors together, just extra precaution. Everything's zip tied. Same goes to the other side. It kind of leans and touches the headlight assembly, so it's not going anywhere. Everything's zip tied, so there's nothing coming off. And I will go ahead and turn it on and show you what it looks like. Here's the initial test. Parking light. Still have the cutoff line. Not too bad. It is pretty damn bright. So it's way better than the halogens. Okay, here's the road test. I've kind of just pulled out of my driveway just to kind of show you the light pattern. So far, overall, I am satisfied with the output. I did get the 6000K, which is just the brilliant white. I guess you can kind of see how bright the output is just from the picture. So if you guys have any questions, please leave me a comment. If you don't mind, please subscribing to my channel. That way you can kind of get more tutorial on other Odyssey installs. Hopefully you guys like it.